Hey, it's day 3 of the NBA All-Star Game weekend. Now, I don't have any media passes, or I don't have any accreditation at all. We were supposed to apply for that 5 weeks ago, and I started on Friday, so that didn't work out at all. But if you want to watch some behind-the-scenes content about the NBA All-Star Game, definitely check out Emily Agard's channel. Emily Agard is our main host for our Inside Toronto content on this channel. She's also the spokesperson for Live Nation and MLSD Live. So I'll definitely check. I saw her interview with her and Shaq O'Neal. I'm pretty sure she probably met Michael Jordan by now. So definitely check that channel out. So I guess what we're gonna do today is, so yesterday in the Toronto Star, I read an article that was claiming that Toronto's reputation is sub-zero. Sub-zero meaning yesterday it was -25, feeling like -30, and today it's feeling like it's -17, feeling like -25, which it's cold. God, I have long johns on right now and I'm inside my house. So, what is the plan? One, I'm going to show you some content that we filmed yesterday at Za Pizzeria. They are one of the best pizzas in the city, and you definitely need to check them out. But two, so I'm actually heading out with my family to go check out the frozen waterfalls in Hamilton. It's about a 30-minute drive outside of the city of Toronto, and there's about 100 different waterfalls all clustered into one single area, so it's going to be really, really fun. Later today, I'm also going to be hanging out with Liz. She's one of my friends, and we're going to check out, well, where can we go watch the game? And after that, perhaps, we're going to see if we can crash an after party, because I know that there's an after party at the CNE exhibition grounds with celebrities, and then there's another after party at the Roundhouse Park. So I don't know what's going to happen today, and hopefully all we can do is really hope for the best. So hopefully we have some great content. Stay tuned. So we just finished filming at Za Pizzeria. It's one of the newer pizzerias in the annex, and it's absolutely amazing. You have to definitely check out... I usually start talking, I don't really know what I'm saying. Well, how would I describe your pizzas? How would I describe your pizzas?
Italian really style, thin crust. We kind of have our own style. Yeah. We cook them on a barbecue.
You know what? The first time I came here, so I know I'm still recording. The first time I came here, what was the duck
and gravy. Yeah,
and I thought, man, that's a crazy pizza. That's really, really unique, and I don't think I've ever had that combination. It had a very lasting, impactful memory, because I always thought, yeah, you know, it's somewhere I want to come and try again and again. Yeah. In comparison to, you know, you get the other pizzas, like the ones on Harvard Street, where it's just a stupid pizza. Yeah, it's like $3 pizza. Yeah. Right? Yeah. So the experience is significantly better than, I think the experience with the pizza is really, really unique, and it's something that everyone should try. I know I'm realizing I'm talking and the camera's still rolling, but do you guys want to have a few words for the camera?
Sure. Well, we really appreciate everything you just said. We're definitely trying to bring gourmet pizza really accessible to you, and really, you know, in a fast way and a really cool way.
Just trying to bridge the gap, I guess, between you know, the more higher end traditional Italian pizza and then your student pizza, like $3 slices. So we have like the margarita slices only $3, but then the duck and grape was an $18 pizza, well worth it with all the, you know, fancy toppings like mascarpone cheese and buffalo mozzarella and duck confit and stuff. So yeah, we're just trying to bridge the gap between those two different styles of pizza and make it more approachable, but at the same time, just you know, just as great an experience as your higher end pizzerias and stuff.
We change up some of the pizzas every month, so there's always something new to try.
Yeah, we're always just trying to be creative with the toppings. Like you said, the duck and grape is pretty original. We did like, right now we're running a thing called the Moby Dick. It's like a fish taco or a fried fish sandwich on a pizza. So just, you know, just trying to be different and make things, you know, creative and interesting, but still approachable and enjoyable.
All right. So I'm gonna put the video's coming out on Tuesday, so definitely check that out. You know, check out these crazy stoves.
Yeah, our custom barbecues.
So instead of doing them in a conventional oven, I guess, or fire wood stove oven.
Yeah,
These
so-
are actually barbecues and how they cook the pizzas.
Yeah, it's just a gas grill. We have a roll cover for it, and then we got some fire bricks in there and some pizza stones. So it cooks in about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
You won't find this anywhere else.
Yeah, it's actually the only one. This is the only pizzeria that has that cooks with, I guess, fire stoves. Is it barbecues? They're called barbecues.
Yeah, we're calling them our custom barbecues. Jason created this a couple summers ago. Yeah.
Awesome.
His brainchild.
So, the first falls you definitely need to check out is Tiffany Falls. We're on the path right now. The weather's gotten better. It's not negative 25 anymore. We're sitting about around negative 10. It could be because I'm in Hamilton instead of Toronto, but like, it doesn't feel as bad. So maybe I've overcoated, overdressed. So I'm gonna try to go underneath the falls and see if how close I can get to it. And afterwards I'm gonna try to do some aerial shots with our drone. So yeah. It's not super solid ice. So, I've somewhat climbed a waterfall. This is really not safe. Okay, so I just crashed a drone, so that's not good. I don't know, I haven't assessed the damage yet, but I'm probably gonna have to do that later tonight. But we're gonna forge on. Right now, we just left Tiffany Falls, and about 2-minute drive away is Sherman Falls, and this is something that you definitely need to check out. Yeah, damn it. I'm really gonna have to think about. I don't know how much that drone, I don't know how much it's gonna cost to fix that drone. So, gosh damn it. Oh, I'm still recording. Happy Valentine's Day, Mason! Yeah. What? It's crazy. Climbing up the waterfalls. Ooh, made it. Take a look. If I can climb this. Oh, no. Definitely can't. That's not very wise. Check this out. I'm gonna climb into the waterfall. Oh, please don't have anything scary in here. Look at this. Okay, so we have time for one more waterfall. This is Spencer Gorge, Webster Falls. We're just walking into the area right now. I don't know if you can see this, but this is the top of the waterfall. This is a lovely park. Ah, here's a better angle. So that goes right off the cliff, and that goes into a huge gorge. Oh. Oh, this is what they did. They went down that way, they went around the fence, and then went back down. That's how I got up the last time.
I told you it's not frozen.
Oh. No, 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 there's a thing. Oh, there was a thing. There was a path. Damn. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Mason?
That's great.
Yeah? Smile. This is by far the biggest one, and it's really cold out here. Whew. Did you find a way down? No? Oh, this is dangerous. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think this is safe. Yeah? I don't think that leads anywhere. The dog obviously walks back. Pretty far way down. Smile.
I can't hear him.
Smile.
What?
Smile.
Hello.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Happy Valentine to you too. Jake. Mace, why are you so red?
No one involved.
heading back to the city. Whew, it's cold. I should wear my hat. Oh, okay. Yeah, now we're driving back to the city, and hopefully I can capture some stuff for the All-Star game. So I just checked the drone, and the drone is definitely broken. It comes up with 3 different errors, and I don't know what any of them mean. One of them is the gimbal's disconnected, but the gimbal's obviously moving, so I don't know what's really going on there. I don't know how much any of this will cost to repair. So if any of you guys know where's the best place to repair your drone, I heard that DJI has terrible customer service. There must be better ways and cheaper ways to repair a drone. Definitely leave a comment below. On another note, I completely failed you guys. I thought I'd be able to get crazy NBA content because everyone's here in Toronto, and I was unable to do anything regarding the actual NBA All-Star game. We still got the Sneaker Express, and we still got the Air Jordan store, which was still pretty cool, and we still got to meet Michael Jordan, so that was pretty cool. But the problem with this is that we need to book everything 5 months in advance, and we were completely unprepared for the NBA All-Star game because I basically decided to do all this on Friday. So that was my bad. That said, moving forward, I want to create amazing content for you guys to check out to kind of help represent the city of Toronto to the world and help represent Southern Ontario to the world. So I guess I'm going to start, this week I'm going to start the process of making all of that happen, and I want to say hopefully, but I also want to say I will create great content. I just need to have recommendations from you to see what kind of content do you want. Where would you like me to showcase? That's really what I'm asking here. As always, we're working on creating great things. Stay tuned as we're still figuring everything out, and we're still learning how to do all this crazy video blogging world. Okay, thank you, and like and subscribe. Thank you.